Loose straw or straw in bunches has no value, and hence farmers often used to burn the straw. But straw as bales has got lot of value. But manual method of collecting straw was time consuming. That's why Redlands introduced a series of round straw balers to overcome this issue. We use hydraulic pump from Baler, Germany, and hydraulic cylinder from Rosso, Italy. Our round straw balers use livestock-friendly jute twine and not plastic twine, which can be dangerous for the livestock. And our baler includes 2.4 mm extra heavy-duty chain and also includes automatic central lubrication to provide smooth operation. Our baler's simple construction and mechanism allows anyone to easily learn to operate and service in a matter of few hours. We use heavy-duty frames for our balers and rollers. Redlands Ashland Motors PLC was the first to introduce round straw balers in India. We have been the pioneers in round straw baler industry in India. Redlands round straw baler is the most environmental friendly way to collect straw from the field for ease in transportation and storage. The loose straw on the field is collected and made into round bales using twines. Also, bale straw just occupies 1/4 space than straw stored in loose. Our balers are available in 5 different versions, namely SBA 330, SBA 330 Extra Wide, Jumbo 930, Jumbo 1208, and Jumbo 1211. Our baler includes foolproof bale counter with dual sensors. SBA 330 bale size is 70 into 50 centimeters. SBA 330 extra wide bale size is 104 into 50 centimeters. Jumbo 1208 bale size is 70 into 60 centimeters. Jumbo 930 bale size is 93 into 60 centimeters. Jumbo 1211 bale size is 104 into 60 centimeters. With the capability to make about 400 to 600 bales daily, our balers are the preferred choice of farmers as they are able to earn around 12,000 rupees a day. The tractor operator will be able to make around 2,000 to 3,000 rupees a day. Once the bales have been created, these can be easily transported and stored. stored bales can be used as cattle feeder, used in mushroom farming, used in paper industry, and can be used as briquette for power generation. With a factory at Coimbatore, we are able to provide timely services as well as provide spares as per demand.